Welcome back to the another episode of Barber Masters, guys. In this video you will get the perfect taper fade, shape of line and many more. I hope you will get the right haircut idea for you from in this video. If you are looking for some latest haircut ideas, I think you should watch this video because we got lots of haircut variation in this compilation, so don't skip this video. All of popular haircuts like taper fade, mid fade, fist.
My client has super light corners, but he wants that pressure lineup. I comb his hair forward, then slightly taper it, so everything is even for a cleaner line. I determine where his hairline will go straight across, then push the middle back to match the size. Keeping my strokes consistent to make a ghost line where the hair is light at. Always make sure the line is sharp before adding enhancement. Fill in those light spots and boom.
The beat go off?
Wow, that was perfect brush fade I have ever seen in my life. And as you can see, that guys came in the barber shop with two light spots on their head, and these light spots are disappear. That was magic. Wow, perfect shape of line, huge transformation. After watching this transformation, I can say these barbers are best barbers around the world. I can say that. Wow, that was sharp. This is insane transformation.
Cutting the beard is 150. Am I doing the brows?
Damn.
Yes. Brows as well, it's 160.
Yeah.
What keeps you coming back at this price point?
Yeah, your cut is good, but it's
Yep.
like how you talk to people when you're listening, you know what I mean? Like you're a good person as well, which even makes it even better.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
So, because you listen, you know what I mean? You listen.
Listen to me, listen to me.
Like these guys just like, yeah. Like I try to explain to them what they want, and they go, yeah, and they just start cutting.
That's enough.
Like I try to show them my photo, and they don't even care.
They don't care, they're like, oh yeah. They're just whatever, yeah. Damn. They don't care about you, bro.
We didn't say anything because we will.
No, that's it. I know. That's
See.
That's why I've come back to you because it's such
Transformation. Let's see
You
what
now
gonna
want to get
happen.
here.
I tell them to do something and they don't do it properly, or like, you know how you used to do it, you used to come a bit really nice,
Okay.
and here too, I tell them to do it,
Stop
you used to
it,
here, they don't
man.
do it.
Yeah.
Slits, I say, oh, can you do my slits? They don't understand. They like,
Transformation.
I want like a high skin fade,
Yep.
and then
Okay.
just the front, how they do it like that fucking. But you know how you used to do it straight? I like the way you do it straight.
Let's do it, man. I'll take care of you, baby.
Damn. It's so clean, yeah. Worth it. Worth it to travel 1 hour to get that type of haircut. I think worth it. Oh my god. This transformation is insane. Oh my god. You guys got talent. This actually what talent is. Perfect. Skin fade with the shape of line. Wow, that was crispiest taper fade with perfect shape of line, and that haircut was perfect. Wow. Damn. Look at
You've been with
this
me through
transformation.
multiple price raises now. What keeps you coming back
That
at
was
$125 for a cut?
It's because essentially if
Okay.
you've got a barber that you can trust,
Yeah.
that's consistent, it's almost like, why would you change? Why? I give you a call, you know what I mean? You're gonna be there, you're gonna show up, you're gonna give me the exact same result every single time.
Yes, sir.
What's the point of changing? You know what I mean?
Cutting my hair like you sleeping with my mom's, man. This is excellent. I love you.
What's the most important thing about your haircut?
Shape's most important because it's gonna make your whole face look a certain way. So I like the corners maybe a little bit rounded,
Gotcha.
not too, you know what I mean?
Not too
Not
out,
too sharp.
yeah.
Yeah. And so it looks more natural.
Gotcha.
A high taper.
Yep.
Just fix the shape up a bit, I reckon.
Let's do it,
Yeah,
man.
this guy has
Do it,
to
brother.
try him fade. So let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah. Doing some enhancement work. Spicy. Yeah. That was spicy, by the way. Yeah. I also love it, man. Here, I think this is video all about the enhancement work. Why this guy is so serious, man? Look at his face. Okay, you got the haircut. Smile, man. He is so serious, by the way. Oh my god, finally. He smiled. Yeah, this is the spicy haircut. I love that type of perfect, clean and neat haircut transformation.
If you got short hair and you want a messy look, get this haircut. This haircut is called a short textured Edgar with a mid tape. This is perfect if you like your hair more on the shorter side, as this is the more maintainable version of the classic blowout Edgar. I cleaned up his eyebrows as a finishing touch, then styling his hair with some texturizing powder, and boom! This is the finished product. My client paid me $100 for this service. If you're looking for a barber in Melbourne, click that link in the bio to book an appointment.
I feel good, bro.
The high tempo fade with the shape of line and got some afro, and it's looking pretty good, I think.
Stop worrying about what everybody else is doing. Stop looking at what everybody else is doing.
I think this is the
And stay
last
focused
haircut
on what it is that you feel
transformation
God has
of the
called
day.
you
This
to
guy
do
got
specifically. That's
perfect
your
with
greatness. That's where your
shape
power
bangers.
is.
Thank you so much for watching those videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, turn on the post notification to get updated for every new upload.